Take a ride in the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, touring suspension, blind spot monitor, dual power sliding doors, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.